I began a garage in Glenfield in 1994. My father started the business as he saw a niche in the market where there was no current products that were available, and he created a product that span off into what we see today. MWS is a manufacturer at heart. That's where we've built the business from. And we've added to it service and calibration. So as a business, we offer a full 360-degree service, support, installation, calibration, maintenance from the concept. So we design and manufacture in-house. We use local suppliers, and we do everything here. We go through chemical, pharmaceutical and food manufacturing, and we are now venturing into the waste and recycling industry. So we identified that the Chamber of Commerce had some funding available for a technology grant, and we'd previously identified areas of our business that we needed to improve, and it gave us a good opportunity to get some help to fund those improvements to the business. And they made it very easy for us to actually apply for the funding. They walked us through each stage. They vetted what we were doing. They helped us identify some vendors and gave us some recommendations. And it was a very smooth process that actually found a lot easier than most grant funding applications I've made recently. We've used a lot of help from the LEP. The councils have given us lots of support with staff funding to develop the business, and we're continually growing, looking for more staff, training, apprenticeships, so the business is definitely going in the right direction. We wanted to have a bit more understanding of what was going on within our business at a managerial level, and we didn't have a customer relationship management at all as a business. The ability to get funding for a customer relationship management, we did some surveys about 3 different companies that we were looking at, and we settled on one called Gold Vision that met our requirements. And what it's allowed us to do is to manage opportunities, leads, clients on sites. A lot of the companies we deal with have multiple employees that we all converse with on a daily basis, and we wanted to be able to track that in one place. Lead management was a big thing. As part of the growth of the business, we're able to forecast a little bit more accurately now about what sales we're expecting to get over the next 3, 6, 12 months. And so having a CRM gave us one portal for enabling to manage our marketing and sales efforts. Identified issues with our current phone system. It was older, it had been in the factory since we'd moved in. These days it's expensive to have a receptionist answering the phone, so we allow the customers to do that, and it sends them directly into where they need to be at that time. And we moved on to a SIP IP based system as well, so we're on the edge of cutting edge of technology now in terms of our phone systems. The project was £11,000 and the funding was 50% of that. It's actually allowed us to onboard new members of staff very easily with the CRM. It's their go-to place for any resources they want about customer knowledge, because we can actually put a lot of information about what's going on site, if they're doing new building work, if they're making redundancies, and we can capture a lot more information and hold it in one central repository now.
A new digital growth fund, which is going to do a similar sort of thing this time around. Were you aware of that, the new winning?
I'm aware of the new funding. I'm actually in the process of applying for more funding for improvements to the computer systems here. We realised that as a business, to have the information easily reachable at fingertips, we need to be looking at the software solutions, and we're looking at various different applications at the moment.